Hi, I'm Amanda Ashworth and I'm the founder of Worldschooling Hub Goa. We chose South Goa for a Worldschooling Hub just because it's an incredible place. A place full of nature, amazing beaches, incredible food and the most amazing people as well. That we felt that there was nothing else like this in India, but that there was no program that families could come together and co-live, co-work for a 4-week period, surrounded by nature. Ah, well done, guys. Look, you're almost going to have another bucket. You did.
Oh yeah, do you have a broom?
I think it's only an indoor broom, but what we are going to do is we're going to pressure wash up all of this.
The yellow one's bigger.
Yeah, so when they're green, they're not gonna bloom soon, but if they're yellow,
Hello, we've been doing some filming for the last 2 hours at the hub before we fully start working on it to show the transformation process of before and then after. And we're currently going to the art resort because the sun's a bit too strong to get good shots in. So we can go film like the pool and go get some food. Hi, I'm Louis. I'm working on the Worldschooling Hub in Goa with my family. We've been travelling for about 8 years now, and we've never really found a hub which suits all of our needs, as my sisters are 4 and 7 and I'm 16. So we found hubs for teenagers, like we had one in the Netherlands which I went to by myself, and we've been to other hubs where it's basically just been for the girls. And there's nothing wrong with that, but we need a hub which fits in both. And we've picked Goa, as you can see behind me, for its amazing views, great beaches, even better food, and above all the best people that you can find. We came here about 5 years ago, before COVID, and it was breathtaking. There has never been a place that we've found where we've been dreaming about food from 2 continents away. It's beautiful, and we've never found anything to replace it. So we've come back, we found the hub, and we want to share it with everyone and show the Worldschooling community how India is great. As you know, and we've heard about a lot of people who are interested in coming to India, but they're not really sure where to start. And I think this is a great start. We're really excited to have people. We've been working on the land, making sure everything's great. We have a teen hub for all of the people above 12. We've been, handcrafting it with other teens, making sure that everything suits our needs, and we then have a co-working space just in the same building area. Then we have the lower ground for the little ones, so that in the morning people can be productive, get their stuff done, and the kids can have some fun too. Because we are bringing in an A-list team of people to help us make the hub the hub. We have gymnasts coming in. We're planning on getting some aerial yoga available. We're hiring yoga teachers as well. That will be fun for everyone. And the hub space itself is breathtaking. I mean, you can see the photos are endless. They're amazing, and frankly, everyone loves it. And I really hope that we can find you here. It's been great. Thank you.